Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. In this video guys, I'm going to be painting a hood and a couple of miscellaneous pieces. I'm going to be using my Satajet 5000 RP with a 1.3 tip. Alright, so let me get started. Let me start spraying some sealer and get this show on the road. Right, I applied the sealer. I just need one coat, that's it. Now for the adjustments on the Satajet, the fan, it's wide open. Alright, the trigger, it's wide open. And I was spraying it at 28 PSI. Okay, so now I'm gonna start applying the base. The base is called Tuxedo Black. The code is UH from Ford. So let's just get started. There it is. That's 3 coats of base. Now I'm gonna let it dry for about 10 minutes. I've been waiting 10 minutes in between coats, so I'm gonna let it dry for about 10 minutes, then come back, start applying the clear. Okay, so let's just wait. We'll come back to apply the clear. I'm gonna be applying the clear at 33 psi with the full fan and full trigger. I'm not gonna move the settings. They're gonna be the same. That's it, guys. After 3 coats of clear, right there. And about the gun, I don't know if I already made a demonstration of the Satajet 5000, but it's a real good gun, guys. Really good gun. It lays the paint, the clear, everything. It lays it down flat. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And there's more videos coming, guys. All right. Again, congratulations to the winner. And I'm going to be buying another FLG 5 so that I can make a review of it. I didn't open that gun. I shipped it out like that. But I'm going to be buying another one so that I can make a review. All right, guys, and this will be it for this video, guys. So I am gonna be next coming weekend, I am gonna be doing a full respray on a 1988 Dodge Ram pickup, so stay tuned for that one. I know you're gonna enjoy it. And also probably during the week I'll be showing all the guns, most of the guns that I have. I'm gonna be showing them all together so that if you want me to review one of the guns or see how one of the guns sprays, go ahead and comment. All right, so I'll be showing that soon also. All right, guys, so thank you very much, guys. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you this coming weekend. All right, guys, thank you, and like always, God bless.